think we're in trouble. I don't think this makeup's gonna turn out. Ask and you shall receive. Let's do traditional goth makeup. Already prepped and primed my face, so we're gonna go in with my You Can Be. This is face and body foundation. I've never used it. I am definitely scared, but I have a lot of faith. I love You Can Be product. So let's just get right into it and see how it goes on. Okay. I don't know how many pumps I'm gonna need, but we'll start with what I would do for foundation anyways. And then, let's go with our hands. Okay. Very foundation-y, I will say that. Feel a little bit like a clown, but we're gonna make it work, I promise. A nice flat brush and just kind of blending out the unblended spots. Very buildable, very blendable, and it's actually way better than I expected. And You Can Be, I was supposed to be on your PR list, but you never got back to me. I still want to be on it. We're gonna take our You Can Be translucent setting powder and set this all in. First time opening her. The pot that comes with, we're just going to basically tap it in and then tap it in. I'm taking this palette that's a skeleton clown, and I'm going to take that white and put it all over my face like crazy. Really getting in there to get that pigment on there, and then we're going to just fill in anywheres that we really need it to, basically our whole face. If the gothic baddies are watching, how do you get this white base going? Because like this is not working. The base sucks. I don't know what to do to fix it. So we're just going to go on top of it. Really might go down as a fail. Literally. Let's do some brows because we got to do something. We got to do something. So we're going to go with an angled brush. Beautiful black. Okay. We're basically going to really make them angled. I want these popping and very dark and very deep and right in your darn face. There's my mirror. Oh my God. All right, let me find my mirror so I can get the bottom of here correctly. Okay. I mean, the eyebrows help a little bit. Not really. Okay, I like that a little bit. At least it helps. Not even. The eyebrows definitely help. No, there's two. So now let's work on the eyeshadow. We're going to get a nice gray for the crease. So something like this gray would be perfect. We're going to basically just go in at the crease and bring it out. And it's going to be really dramatic today because obviously this is very dramatic makeup. So really bring it out and build it up right here. And bring it down here as well to help shape the eye. I'm going to use that exact same gray to basically contour our nose and bring it down and just basically, yeah, contour it. Trying to fix the base. I don't think I'm going to be able to fix it, so I'm just going to take it all off from like here down after I do the eyes and just put on the white foundation and try again with the base. This angled brush and basically do some cool funkalicious stuff on our eye. I'm feeling like right here and bringing it out just like that. So let's do it on the other side. Yeah, we can match those up. It's looking like shit. Trust the process. Let's do some heavy outline of a liner. Now we're basically going to go on the inner side too here. Just really lightly, just enough so it looks dark. We're going to go in with our finger with this like shimmer. It's like super, super, super pretty. We're going to kind of put it right in the front here. Really pop it out. I'm gonna wipe off the base from here down and try and fix it. Here you go. Try and replay the base and pray to God that it works. Yeah, the base is definitely rough, but we're gonna work with it. The base is starting to eat. I just took this white and kind of went around anywheres that I would highlight and just filled it in a little bit. That way it's just like really popping and giving dimension to my face. Obviously, I did some nose contour. We're gonna keep it like quite dark. And then we might even just like find a way to bring it in a little. Like just a little. And then what we're going to do for the eyebrows, basically sharpen them so that they're bigger here and they come in just like that. Taking that same light gray that we've been taking and kind of hollow in the cheeks just where you would any bronzer or contour. And don't blend it in too much because you still want to be able to see the line. It's supposed to be harsh. Same for your jaw. I always bring mine up a little, kind of helps hide my little chinny chin chin. And just a little bit around the lips. Just a little. And on the chin too. Make sure to go up here a little bit too. I'll brush like this and kind of go underneath and really fill in that area and help build it up. God, it's looking so much better. I was so upset. I was like, no, I'm wasting a film day. But no, your girl turned it around. Let's do our lippy lips. We're just using like a black eyeliner for the lip liner, obviously. And a little bit more angular than you normally would. Using like this black, I want to say lip stain, but it's not a lip stain. I don't know what they're called. It stays. It just stays. Lips are done. Way harder than it looked. I'm gonna go in with a few dots over anywhere that I would naturally have any beauty marks. Lovely. Now I'm gonna take some black Danessa and start putting a few dots around just because I kind of like that gothic look. Put it on the back of my hand, and then I have like a little thing that I can make dots with. Basically just gonna go like this, right down the middle. There's 3 little dots that we did. Now I'm thinking that we should probably do like another one like right in here or something, or right directly underneath the eye would be really cute. Yeah, that's cute. There, now they look a little bit more similar. Okay, the look's starting to come together. Didn't think it would. I'm thinking one like right here. Yeah, I like it. We can do a little dot right beside it too. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. I think I should put another one like right here. Like that. We'll go one underneath it too. Might as well do one right beside it. I like that very much. Also gonna put some like right here. All right, I'm gonna do a few little touches and show you the final result. And this is the final result. What do we think? I kind of fell in love with gothic makeup, I'm not gonna lie, even though we had to redo that base like 3 times, but whatever. You guys need to go check out all the transitions. I would really appreciate it if you did, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!